Hello, it's Monday, March the 28th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. Well, the dollar gained versus most of the major currencies, only to fall against commodity-linked currencies. Final GDP came out at 3.1%, better than expected 2.9%. US stock markets closed positive as the Dow climbed by 0.41% and the NASDAQ gained by 0.24%. Crude oil fluctuated around $105.40 for the third day, unable to determine a further trend. Gold declined below $1,430 an ounce. Today, pending home sales are expected at 0% versus minus 2.8% prior. The euro fell against the dollar after struggling at 142 resistance levels and fell back to trade near 1.4 zones as European leaders failed to build a stable bailout plan during the summit. While the German business climate came out at 111.1, better than the expected 110.6, this was not enough to fuel another positive wave in the pair. Breaking support at 1.4 will push the pair lower, otherwise a rebound might be on the cards. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 140.19 and a high of 141.93. Today, the ECB president is due to speak. The pound achieved 3 consecutive days of weakness against the dollar. Breaking the 159.80 critical support will no doubt push the pair down even further. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 160.00 and a high of 161.40. No economic data is expected today. The yen weakened against the greenback. As you'd expect, the nuclear crisis in Japan is still affecting investor sentiment. Breaching resistance at 81.70 might send the pair back above 82 levels. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 80.85 and a high of 81.77. Today, retail sales are expected at minus 0.4% versus 0.1% previously. And the unemployment rate is expected unchanged at 4.9%. The US dollar strengthened against the Canadian dollar and once again tested strong resistance at 0.9820. Breaching this might send the pair running back to parity. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9740 and a high of 0.9824. No major economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.